Okay, traders, we got 2.5 minutes till the market opens on up. Today, you know what it is. Going to be applying yesterday's strategies into today. No, I'm just kidding, guys. There's a few stocks I'm watching, though. Cprx is my main out of the gate. This one sitting at about 491 right now. I want to be risking off of 530, yesterday's high. Really want this one to pop, give me an opportunity to get into it. I don't really want to be risking 40 cents. We'll see how this one's going to open on up. But the last 20 days, guys, this one has been climbing up, getting very overextended. A lot of volume coming into yesterday, which is good. That's what we wanted to see. All these traders saying this is going to go up forever. Let's keep buying, buying, buying. Guys, I trade the same thing every single day. You know, this is consistency. There's a lot of chat rooms out there, guys, that are saying the market is slow. There's no opportunities. There's nothing to trade. That is the exact opposite of this market, guys. I mean, there are always opportunities every single day. You should probably get out of those chat rooms. NK, I like this one as well to fade a little bit. Just looking at its past chart history as well. This one, when it pops up, it comes back down, retraces that move. It's going to be keeping an eye on NK as well as CRIS. Now, I don't think CRIS is necessarily done. And yesterday, what did we see? NCTY, CRIS. Both of them just faded off right out of the gates, guys, and that's going to cause a lot of trepidation and fear in long buys traders' minds. They're going to be a little bit more hesitant to be getting into some of these stocks out of the gates because of what we saw on CRIS and NCTY. And the reason I think that CRIS might have a little bit more room to fall is I will show you. If we take a look at SPI from last week, SPI dropped, gapped up in pre-market, dropped, and then the next day tested the close of yesterday and continued to fall on off. The same thing, guys, as MTFB. All the same looking charts there. The market is about to open on up. Cprx, I want to take a position here. Let's see how that's going to open up. I went ahead and took a short position on it. I'm short at 497, 300 shares. Could have gotten to this a little premature, but my thought process is longs are just going to be a little bit more hesitant to get in at the start of the day. I mean, CRIS and NCTY both yesterday dropped right at the start of the day. So I'm fine adding into this up to 530. All right, Cprx has got some nice bids on it at $5. I wouldn't let that scare you, though, guys. See, they're already gone. Level 2, honestly, if I could, I would probably completely eliminate it from my trading. It's just because it's so manipulated, guys. It is so manipulated. There's no point in even looking at it. I mean, look what's going on right now, guys. We had huge bid orders at $5, and now we're at $4.78 on the bid. That's why I just don't use it, guys. I'm at the point in my trading career where it just does not matter. It really doesn't matter as much. It's all smoke and mirrors, guys. You really should not be paying attention to it a whole lot. And I know that's very controversial, but it's really not. I mean, you can display whatever share size you want on the level 2. It's highly manipulated by people who have a lot more money than us, too. So that really does not affect my trading strategy. NK is dropping a little bit, too. Didn't have a position there. Cprx is my main this morning. ATOS got a pop and now dropping a little bit. We just got to understand the market conditions, understand what happened yesterday on NCTY, CRIS. Cprx trying to curl back around, get up to $5. Sitting at VWAP right now, so I might actually add to it. Problem is with this one that it has a pretty strong daily chart. I mean, this one's very strong, climbing up forward. It could have another green day today. It wouldn't surprise me. With that said, that's why you got to just be taking profits along the way. I should have taken profits on it. All right, traders, I went ahead and added a few shares right there at about 490 on it, right under that VWAP and 9 EMA. I don't want this one back above the open of the day. That's kind of my risk on it at this point. Don't want that one back above 502. That would be a sign of strength. So I'm adjusting my risk along the way. So I'm risking about 6 cents on it to probably make, about 20 off of my first sell and then try to let some of these fade out if they do. Like I said, it's got a strong daily chart on it. It could reverse, come back, and break out past $5. Wouldn't surprise me. But we're sitting pretty heavy right now, so I'm fairly happy with this trade, up about 11 cents on it right now. Well, traders, I had orders out there at 482. I was not getting filled at all. Just to take a partial and lock in some money because I didn't do that on that first drop there, so I'm trying to get it. It's pretty heavy right now, though. You guys see that upper shadow here at that 9 EMA? Sitting pretty heavy there. All right, traders, I just locked in a partial there at about 484. Going to set a stop on the rest back at my average cost here at 493. Going to set a stop there. That's back above VWAP as well. I really don't want it back above V. So the rest of it I'll just break even on if it comes back up to my entry. So the plan on this, traders, is I'm either leaving green or more green, traders. That's the plan here. It's already actually coming up and testing the VWAP. So I'm going to go ahead and set a stop on that, traders. That's going to wrap up my trading day, though. Going to take it easy. Consistency, guys. Doing the same thing each and every day. Let me know, traders, if you took advantage of this and got this one at the open and made a little money on it. All right, traders, go ahead and smack that like button. Hit the subscribe button, traders, and we will see you all first thing tomorrow morning.